Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of 365 Nights in Accor Hotels. And today I've made it to Chiang Mai here in Thailand. You can see right now where Chiang Mai is on the map. And today I'm at a property I absolutely love. I've had a great time here previously, and that is why it is a part of 365 Nights in Accor Hotels. Today, I'm here at the Mercure Chiang Mai, a super affordable property here in the city centre. Such a good location, so many things close by, and a really affordable price. Now, as an Accor Plus Diamond member, I am always upgraded here really well. I always have a great stay. The team always looking after me. Absolutely amazing. And I've been provided a junior suite. This is the second time I've stayed here, and yeah, I love this property and you guys will too. So come along with me, let's check out the room. This is the junior suite that I've been provided here as an Accor Plus Diamond member. Welcome. This is Mercure Chiang Mai, guys, and even though it may look a little bit older, they here look after you really, really well, and I absolutely love it. This is a full body mirror as I come through the main door. Here is my door. So coming through the door, you actually straight away, you have your first royal throne. You do have a guest bathroom here, and not only do you have a guest bathroom as in a royal throne, but you also have the shower. So there's a separate shower in here in your junior suite, which you can obviously utilize as well. Might be a bit echoey, but shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then over here, you're going to feature your body lotion and liquid soap, as well as all our amenities there. Drinking water, of course, and some international power there. Very, very nice. And then in here, we're going to have our cupboard. So this is one of our cupboards we have here. And in it's just pretty much lots and lots of hanging space. So, and you do have down the bottom here some slippers as well. And yeah, coat hangers all there, so that's a great spot to hang all of your things. Over here, as we come through, you're gonna have your tea and coffee making facilities. So you do have a kettle here, some more water, power outlets, and then down the bottom here is going to be a fridge, minibar fridge. There you go, nice. And coming through the room, you're gonna have your luggage storage over here on the left-hand side. And then you do have a TV there, not a smart TV, but you've got the standard TV there, and you do have your lounge area that you have as well. Working desk over here, already featuring my laptop. I just uploaded a video for you guys. Lovely flowers there. And this is the view. I'm on the 5th floor here, so you guys can see the view I've got outside here. On this side, and then I've got obviously my room in there as well, which I'll show you guys in a second. But firstly, let's have a look at the welcome amenity. This is gorgeous. Check this out. I've got mangoes, which I absolutely love. The team know this, so that's why they provided, I'm sure. We do have some ginger ale, some Coke Zero. We've got some details there of the GM, which is very cool. And then here we've got a letter, little note. Dear Mr. Cameron, welcome to Mercure Chiang Mai. We're delighted to have you with us as an Accor Plus Diamond member. Your loyalty is truly valued, and we're here to ensure you have an exceptional stay. Thank you for choosing us, and we hope you enjoy your time in Chiang Mai. Warmest regards, Sirasuk, who is the general manager. So cool. So they've provided me Coke Zero, which is awesome. And here is a little bit of product around here, enjoyed right here. Yeah, Mercure, locally inspired. So remember, guys, everything with Mercure is local. So looks like I've been provided like a little local treat here, local inspired, maybe it's like a bandana or a little bag. Oh, it's a little bag, little case thing. That's so nice, very cool. So there you go, that's from Mercure Chiang Mai. I absolutely love it. Last time I stayed here, guys, they actually gave me a keychain, like an elephant keychain, and I still use it today, and I still remember that they gave it to me here. So I find hotels that are giving these really nice welcome amenities, like something that actually connects you with the hotel, is really good. I love that. Coming through the bedroom, this is the master bedroom featuring the big king bed. This junior suite just available in the king. We do have the elephants because Chiang Mai is known for its elephants. TV over here as well as a mirror so I can get ready in the morning. I do have my hairdryer here as well as power there in the door. Over here, some more luggage storage. Lots of storage options here. Safety deposit box in here as well as more hanging space and also ropes. This is your control panel that controls the lighting and everything in the room, and it's even got a built-in radio there as well, telephone, and on the other side of the bed you're going to have another Duchess there. In regards to power wise, I'm going to investigate, oh wow, The bed is a soft bed, soft to medium. Checking out the power for you guys to see what is the power situation. No power on this side of the bed that I can see. Bed wise, also, just so you can see the kind of the firmness of it, is let's have a look. So I'd say it's like a soft to medium, and pillow wise, oh yeah, they're nice. Nothing wrong with those pillows. Very cool. The pillows, nice. Comes through the other side. There is power over here near the doorway, but in regards to, oh yeah, there is power down here. So you do have international power points there, a couple there. And I'm just gonna check on the other side as well, because maybe I missed it. No, not on this side. So yeah, just on the right side of the bed, there is the international power plug. Coming through here, bathroom time. Air conditioning control, both in this room and also the other room. And coming through here, you do have a bathtub. Very nice bathtub featuring the body wash and shampoo. Royal throne, single barrel, but with two of the things there, which is nice, as well as the handheld bidet. And then you do have another shower box in here, featuring your shampoo and also your body wash. So conditioner in the other side, and liquid soap and body lotion here, as well as your amenities. Very, very nice. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to say this hotel is really, really good. I really enjoy it here. The pricing is really, really attractive. A great place to come and enjoy and stay while you're in Chiang Mai, especially if you want a really affordable price. So highly recommend coming and checking out Mercure Chiang Mai. My first property here in Chiang Mai. I'm going to be going to a few, and I highly recommend coming and checking it out, seeing the team. I love this place. There's also little shops nearby, very close by. Seem like there's little complex areas. So anyway, I'll show you all that in the video. Stick around, go check out the other room categories, and then we're going to check out the F&B, the pool. Really deep pool here as well. If you like swimming, there is a really deep pool. Yeah, so a great spot to come and enjoy. Mercure Chiang Mai Junior Suite, upgraded as an Accor Plus Diamond Member. I'll see you guys very soon. Let's go check out the other rooms. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Mercure Chiang Mai, and welcome to your base room category. This here is the standard room where we are here today at the Mercure Chiang Mai. Let's check out what is on offer. So as you can see, coming through the door, this one features 2 twin bed. We'll have a look at that soon. But you do have your cupboard here on the right-hand side. You got slippers down here, as well as a safety deposit box. Tea and coffee making facilities here, which has your kettle, waters, as well as a mini bar fridge there as well. On the left-hand side, you're going to have your bathroom featuring a royal throne. You've got a single barrel there, handheld bidet, and you do have the mirror here. You do have your tissue box, as well as standard amenities here, as well as liquid soap. There is power here as well, 2 international points. And then coming through here is your shower. Standard shower head, as well as a body wash and shampoo featured in your standard room. And coming through to the main room, you're going to have your luggage storage here, as well as a area to get ready in the morning. You do have the hairdryer there, as well as a little seat. You got a TV, small TV here, not a smart TV, and like a working desk over here that you could work from, and there is some international power over here as well. This is a couple of chairs there, and like a little coffee table that you can enjoy. More power over in the corner. We got views out here of Chiang Mai here on the 4th floor outside there, and this is featuring the 2 single beds. There is some international power 2 points here, lighting controls on the right hand side of the bed. This is also available in a king as well with the 1 bed, and on the left side of the bed there's going to be power wise, just have a look. There is no power on this side of the bed, but there is going to be the 2 power points over there and more power over here. So yeah, mirror there, 2 beds here as well for the standard room. So base room category, ladies and gents, this here, the property, the price is incredible. One of the most affordable prices here in Thailand, and it's a Mercure Chiang Mai. Let's go check out the superior room, and then we're gonna look at the deluxe, and then the room I'm in is the highest room category. It's the junior suite that you would have seen before this. So we'll go check out the superior, and then we're gonna check out the deluxe room. Very cool. Okay, welcome to your superior room. This is the second room category. You just seen the standard room, which is your base. Now we're on to your superior. Now, if you're a member, Gold, Platinum, Diamond member, there's a chance you just get upgrading the one level, or maybe they're going to upgrade you to a nicer room like a junior suite or deluxe as well. It depends essentially on the availability and everything here at the property, but essentially this is your second room category. So if you were going to get the standard one level upgrade, this is the room type that you would get. So let's check it out. Superior room. Here she goes. So this one also featuring the king bed. We'll have a look at that soon. You do have here the robes. So we're adding the robes when we come in to your superior room. You'd also got their slippers and the safety deposit box. You'll notice most things are going to be the same. Bathroom is a little bit different with the toilet a little bit further away. We've got a bit more space here. Standard amenities still, and liquid soap, tissues and everything. Handheld, bidet, single barrel, and the shower is going to be the same as in our standard room. Tea and coffee facilities are the same. We're adding also the mirror, so you now got a full body mirror here at the entranceway. This time with the king bed. No power on this side of the bed, the right side, but we do have a couple international power points on the left side of the bed on this side, as well as all your lighting controls. And you'll notice just a bit different in the colors and the features. A couple of chairs there, working desk, power there as well, TV, and get yourself ready here, as well as luggage storage. So yeah, that there, guys, is the superior room. Also this one connecting through, so it will connect to the two single bed room. So you can have this if you're a family, you can have mum and dad in here and the kids in there. Let's go check out the third room category, which is your deluxe. This one is the superior, second one. Next one's deluxe, and then you would have seen mine at the start, which was the junior suite here at the Mercure Chiang Mai. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your deluxe room. You can see now the colors have changed. It looks a lot brighter and more vibrant here on our third room category. My room is the next one. It's the junior suite. It's your highest room category here at the Mercure Chiang Mai. But this here is your deluxe room. So as you can see, really, really big bed. Like, this is absolutely insane bed. I cannot tell you how big it is, but it is huge. You have the big super king bed here, also available in two singles, so you have the option. As you come through, you can see you've got your cupboard on the left here, which is featuring your robes again, safety deposit box and everything the same there. Coming through, you've got a few more of your amenities here as well, and royal throne, everything's going to be the same. Single barrel down here, and your shower. But now in the deluxe room, we're also adding in the conditioner as well to the body wash and the shampoo, so that's an addition. And then coming through, you're going to have the same for your tea and coffee made facilities. There is power in there as well, mirror here again, and yeah, huge bed. You're going to have luggage storage on the left hand side. You've got the hairdryer there, makeup area, TV, working desk, connecting room again as well into the two single, and then you've got there a couple of chairs and PowerPoints down there. So and now the view out this side, this is the same as from my room. We're on the 5th floor. You can see outside here the city of Chiang Mai, and the swimming pool is down over there. So yeah, this is a deluxe. It's on the 5th floor here at the hotel. Very nice third room category here at the property, and yeah, you're going to get this really big bed. Absolutely cool. So sweet here at the Mercure Chiang Mai. Many things to see and do in the area as well. It's centrally located, very close to walk to. So many spots here, which is awesome. Anyway, I'm going to show you the rest of the facilities here at the hotel. I'm going to show you the swimming pool, the restaurants and everything. And make sure you just tune in for the Chicken Wing Challenge as well. So yeah, another great stay here at Mercure Chiang Mai. One of the most affordable properties here in Thailand. Absolutely amazing. Go check out the rest of the hotel. See you guys soon. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the swimming pool. The swimming pool here is on the 3rd floor. Check this out. Very nice space to come and relax and enjoy. And the really cool part about this pool, it's super deep. Look at this, 2.1 meters over this side, 1.9 meters in the middle, and 1.45 meters over this side. So this here is like a standard depth for the pool. It's absolutely crazy. So the pool is going to be open from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. every single day here. Now, you can also order in food and drinks from the restaurant. You can pick up the phone there and contact the restaurant team, and they can bring food and drinks up here for you as well while you are enjoying the stunning pool area. And the cool part about that as well is the team let me know that if you do that, you can also get in your Accor Plus discount. So you can enjoy a swim, you can enjoy a great price on a meal. They've actually got some tables here as well, which you can have a meal at, and yeah, grab a towel and enjoy the sun. a lovely pool, really nice size and super deep. They got the outdoor showers here as well. So yeah, that's the swimming pool, guys. Open from 7 until 7 every single day here on the 3rd floor at the Mercure Chiang Mai. The Starbucks coffee here, you can ordering here in the lobby. This here is the lobby here at the hotel, and then you've also got some little croissants and cakes on offer as well. And then over here is going to be information about the shuttle service. So they actually have a shuttle service that's available. You can contact the reception or the concierge. They have the hotel to the airport, which is a shuttle for 200 baht per person, and these are all the different times it goes. And then they also have a complimentary shuttle service is going to go to the night bazaar market, the walking street market, also to the Jinjai market, both ways, and then also to the shopping mall. So there are many options here at the hotel for the shuttle, whether you need to go to the airport or to any of the local tourist attractions. The hotel is in a really good location, and yeah, highly recommend coming and trying and staying here at Mercure Chiang Mai. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the breakfast here at Mercure Chiang Mai. The breakfast is going to be open every single day from 6:30 in the morning until 10:30, so 6:30 to 10:30. Let's see what is on offer. So kicking off, you've got your coffee machine here, and you can see all the different coffees you can get. We've got milk here, both fresh milk as well as low-fat milk. We've got orange juice as well as guava juice, and also some water. We do have some yogurts here, low-fat yogurt and plain yogurt, as well as butter, very nice. And then you've got your spreads here, so you've got marmalade, jam, pineapple, honey, as well as strawberry. And here we've got our cereals, Honey Star, cornflakes, and also the Cocoa Crunch. We've got the bread and butter pudding as well. And here we've got our baked goods. We've got our soft rolls, also gluten-free bread, muffins, croissants, multigrain, and then you've got your toast here as well available. Over here you're going to have little waffles, as well as some toppings, maple syrup, raisins, and also mixed fruits. And then here we're going to have our soy milk and also Thai crispy rice snack. Oh, nice. And different condiments here as well. Very cool. Which is here steamed rice, as well as the garlic fried rice. Also fried rice noodle with chicken, and the chicken with basil. We have the chicken sausage as well as the chicken ham. We've got a pork stew here, and also the pickled lettuce soup with pork ribs. Wow. Vegetarian section as well. Stir-fried tofu with gravy, as well as stir-fried glass noodle. And then also porridge with the pork, and also boiled rice. And here is your different condiments and chilies and everything. Very nice. So the egg station here, the eggs you can ordering the fried egg, scrambled eggs, omelets, as well as poached and eggs Benedict. We've got the photos there, you can see. Very cool. Different sauces and toppings here, and all the eggs are ready to go here in the open kitchen, which is so cool. Great. And then also you can get in the noodle soup, so you can ask the team and they will do this one for you as well. Very cool. Over here you're going to have your fresh fruits. Got the sliced cut fruits here, there's watermelon there, and then your salad section here. Different salads on offer, as well as salad dressings. And we got more tea and coffee making facilities here, as well as for your herbal tea corner. So you do have the tea, butterfly pea juice, and hot tea as well. So that there is everything here at the Mercure Chiang Mai for the breakfast. Of course, breakfast will change every single day depending on when you're here. There's likely to be different things available. But yeah, this is in the Citrus restaurant. It's going to be open from 6:30 in the morning until 10:30 every single day here on the ground lobby floor, just past the lobby. And they've also got the bar over here as well, where you can order any of the drinks. So yeah, the restaurant also available for all day dining. So when you're coming and staying, you can also come and enjoy your Accor Plus discount here. If you come with 2 people, getting that 50% off your food and 15% off on the drinks. That's everything here at the Mercure Chiang Mai. Until next time, I'll see you guys on the next one. Wow, crazy how many nights of we've already been. We're coming up to like 250. Absolutely insane. And this is already our like 70th hotel. So until next time on the next one, we're here in Chiang Mai checking out all the properties. I'll see you guys next time. It is Redgie out.